Picture this. It's 3 a.m. and you're jolted awake by the sound of shattering glass. A burglar has broken in, and before you know it, they've taken your valuables. Or maybe it's the opposite. A storm rages outside, and you wake up to a tree crashing through your roof. Could you handle the financial blow? If this thought makes you uncomfortable, stick around. This video might be the wake-up call you didn't know you needed. Home isn't just a place, it's a feeling. It's where you build your life, create memories, and feel the safest. But here's the thing, life doesn't always play fair. Fires, floods, break-ins, and even unexpected accidents can turn your life upside down in the blink of an eye. That's why today we're breaking down exactly why having a home insurance policy is one of the smartest decisions you'll ever make. From understanding what it covers to the peace of mind it provides, this is the ultimate guide to protecting your home and your future. Let's get real for a second. Nobody expects disaster to strike. It's always something that happens to other people, right? Until it doesn't. Every year, over 5% of US homes experience a claim due to property damage. That might not sound like much until you realize that means millions of families suddenly facing repair bills they can't afford. Whether it's a kitchen fire, a leaky roof, or even a guest getting injured on your property, these incidents can cost thousands, sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars. Take water damage, for example. A burst pipe might seem minor, but it can quickly lead to structural damage, mold, and ruined belongings. The average cost to repair water damage? Around $10,000. And then there's theft. Imagine coming home to find your electronics, jewelry, or even sentimental items gone. Sure, some things can be replaced, but at what cost? The bottom line is this. Without home insurance, you're gambling with your financial future. What home insurance really covers? The structure. This is the foundation of most home insurance policies. It covers your home's physical structure, including walls, roofs, floors, and attached structures like garages or decks. If a fire destroys your home or a tree falls on your roof during a storm, your policy can help pay for the repairs or rebuild. Some policies also extend to detached structures like sheds or fences. One critical aspect is ensuring your coverage reflects the replacement cost of your home, not just its market value. Construction expenses can skyrocket, and being underinsured can leave you paying out of pocket during a crisis. Personal belongings. Everything you own inside your home, from furniture and appliances to clothing and electronics, is usually covered if damaged or stolen. This includes items lost outside your home, like a laptop stolen from your car. Policies have limits though. A policy might offer $50,000 for personal property, but high-value items like jewelry or art often have lower sublimits. For instance, a $10,000 piece of jewelry might only be covered up to $2,500. To fully protect such valuables, you can add additional coverage, known as a rider or endorsement. Liability coverage. Liability protection covers you if someone gets injured on your property, or if you accidentally damage someone else's property. For instance, if a guest trips on your stairs and breaks an arm, liability coverage can handle their medical bills and any legal fees if they sue. This protection extends beyond your home. If your dog bites someone at the park, your liability coverage can help with their medical expenses. Coverage limits typically start at $100,000, but you can increase it for better peace of mind. What it doesn't cover: floods and earthquakes. Standard policies exclude natural disasters like floods and earthquakes. These require separate insurance, which is especially crucial in high-risk areas. Flood damage, for example, can cost tens of thousands of dollars, even if it's just a few inches of water. Earthquake insurance covers structural damage, cracked foundations, and broken utilities, offering protection from high repair costs. Maintenance issues. Home insurance doesn't cover problems stemming from neglect or wear and tear. If your roof leaks due to old age or your plumbing bursts because of corrosion, you're responsible for the repairs. To avoid claim denials, keep up with routine maintenance, such as roof inspections and HVAC servicing. Luxury items. Standard policies often limit coverage for high-value items. Jewelry, artwork, or collectibles may only be partially covered. For example, a $15,000 engagement ring might only be insured for $2,500. You'll need a separate endorsement to fully protect these valuables, and an appraisal may be required to determine their worth. Other exclusions. Business equipment. If you run a home-based business, your work equipment or inventory may not be covered under your personal policy. Intentional damage. Damage caused deliberately by you or a family member is never covered. Acts of war or government seizure. Policies generally exclude damages from war or government actions. The emotional impact. Here's something most people don't think about: the emotional toll of losing your home or possessions. It's not just about the physical items you lose, it's about the sense of security that gets shattered. Imagine walking into your home after a burglary. It's not just the missing TV or jewelry that hurts, it's the thought that someone invaded your personal space. Or think about watching your home go up in flames, knowing cherished family photos or heirlooms are gone forever. These experiences can leave you feeling vulnerable, stressed, and overwhelmed. While no insurance policy can bring back items with sentimental value or completely erase the trauma, it does give you the means to recover financially. Knowing you'll have the resources to repair or rebuild can help ease some of the anxiety and allow you to focus on moving forward. But what about the cost? Isn't home insurance expensive? And how can you make sure you're getting the right coverage for your needs without overpaying? Don't worry, we're about to tackle those questions head on and show you how to make insurance work for you. How much does it actually cost? On average, home insurance costs around $1,200 to $1,500 per year. In the US, that's roughly $100 a month, or the cost of a daily cup of coffee. For what it covers, that's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Tips for saving money. If you're worried about the cost, here are some ways to save. Raise your deductible. A higher deductible means lower monthly premiums. Just make sure you have enough savings to cover the deductible if you need to file a claim. Bundle policies. Combining home and auto insurance can lead to significant discounts. Install safety features. Smoke detectors, burglar alarms, and even deadbolts can lower your premiums. Shop around. Always compare quotes from multiple insurance providers to find the best deal. Why it's worth it. Think of home insurance as a safety net. You hope you'll never need it, but if you do, it's the difference between losing everything and having the resources to recover. Here's the truth. Life is unpredictable. Fires, floods, theft. They happen when you least expect it. Home insurance isn't just about protecting a building. It's about safeguarding your future, your peace of mind, and everything you've worked so hard to build. If this helped you see the value of home insurance, hit subscribe or check out our next video for more ways to protect your finances.